So might as well have these all set and ready for your next trip. Hi travel bugs, it's me Sherry, the organized travel coach, and in this video I'm going to show you these travel bottles and jars that are TSA approved, where you can put your shampoos and lotions and things like that. So let's get started. Okay guys, they're still in the package, but I got these from Amazon, and the name of the store is, I think, Jim Ice. I'll put a link in the description box below. And on my Amazon store, I usually list the name of the video and all the products that are in that video, so you can look it up that way. Again, I'll put that link below to my Amazon store. And so I got 3 sets, all matching colors for the bottle and the jar. And the reason I got 3 sets was I'm getting them for myself, my husband, my daughter, or whatever colors we want. I've gotten jars before on Amazon, and honestly I did not like them. This is I think the 3rd type that I've gotten. Like, I looked at 2 different stores on Amazon. This is the 3rd one, and so hopefully this will turn out well. I've also gotten this before, where it had a jar, but it also has like a brush. Okay, a brush, and then just like a little scooper. So you'll need something like this and a little funnel if you're going to be, taking stuff from a larger bottle and putting it into these smaller bottles, which is the whole point. Okay, and then some come with labels, but these did not come with any of this, but I had it anyway. And if you don't have the labels, you can always use a label maker. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these out of the plastic bag. So this is the pink, and look how cute. I mean, I think they had 3 other sets of colors, but you can check there in the link. And so they're all made of silicone, and the jars also. This jar that I got in another set is more like a hard plastic, and they were fine. What I did like about this was it had this cover on top, and then you just twist it tight. This one, let's see, I'd say had mostly good reviews. Okay, so then this jar, the top is also silicone. Can you see I'm pressing it in? And this is silicone. Okay, so it opens like that. It says it's leak proof, but we'll see. Okay, what you can always do if you're nervous about any bottle, you can take saran wrap, put it on top, and close it. That usually seals the deal, like literally. Okay, these are 1 ounce. Okay, and then these bottles are 3 ounces. Okay, and you can see there's silicone like that, and the bottle twists, or the cap twists off, and you can see in there. All right, and the lid is like that, and you can see the silicone in there. Okay, so those are the colors. They go from a darker pink to a lighter pink, and then the matching bottles. So if you're into that, this is perfect. Oh, you can't really see that from up there, but here you can have like this. See, those colors are matching. Okay, this is the gray set. So it starts with black, and then gray, this kind of a bluish. Okay, and then this one there. And this is the apricot. Okay, so let's see, it goes like that. It does have this little design. In the Amazon store, I thought it was like clear, but that's all right. You can just always open up the lid and see how much is left there. So that's apricot. This is my normal lotion, which is Jergens Ultra Healing, and I'm just gonna put that into this one. So my shampoo and conditioner is actually a trial size bottle that I reuse, and the reason I can do that is because the opening is wide enough to fill it back, and then I can close it. Now for lotion bottles, a lot of times the travel size, you can't refill those. It's like a one-time use, which is not good. And I've tried to refill them, and they just can't be refilled. So I definitely want one for my lotion. So what you could do here is just put it on straight, okay? And then, oops, it's gonna get messy. That's kind of expected. I'm not gonna use that funnel or even the scoop because it's just gonna take too long. It's just a matter of, pouring it out just enough pressure and then kind of squeezing this bottle to keep the air out. Okay, so let's test and see it coming out. So there's no leaking here on the side. Okay. Yeah, that was nice. Okay, I think this is good. This one actually has good reviews. I might have filled it a little bit too much, but it's okay. Okay, and it's just a flip top, and you just snap it closed like that. The thing with bringing lotion is that a lot of times the hotels or the Airbnbs that I stay in, the lotion is just not good for it doesn't work on my skin. It's not good enough or whatever, right? And so like your facial cleanser, the lotions for your face, you may be allergic, so you want to bring your own products, okay? And then this one, I'm just gonna transfer this into here, and I will probably, here, I will use this little scooper. So this is the only, I'd say, weird thing with this is that it's not a flip top. It opens all the way, okay? So we'll have to see about this. I might put saran wrap on these. Okay, the other one I want to put on is put in a container or jar is this rose gold oil, and I kind of like this because it reminds me of the color. So again, you can always take a label maker and put labels on them, or you could just do color coding. This one I don't want to put too much because I don't need that much on a vacation, okay? On a trip. I mean, you're supposed to just use very little anyway. Okay, that's that. And then I want to put my facial cleanser. So this one I use only about twice a week, maybe 3 times. And then I have a different cleanser, this one, the Eminence. Now this one is very low, so I'm not going to be able to fill this in, but just wanted to show you that this is probably something I put in here and there, because I use 2 different cleansers, only because this is a little bit, I like this, but it's only good for 2 to 3 times a week, or it gets too strong, and this is kind of more of a daily. Okay, so I will put this one, since this one I don't use too often, but it'll be good. So this is 8 ounces, and to put it in here will be 3, so you can kind of tell it's going to use a lot of it. And this is nice that it has a pump, so it's a lot easier to put stuff, or what do you call that, when you move it from one bottle to the other. It's so much better refilling your jars and containers and bottles after a trip, because before a trip you're doing so many other things. You're getting stuff done for work, you're preparing stuff for the kids, you're making your reservations, double checking your reservations, checking in, all those things, right? And packing. So might as well have these all set and ready for your next trip, okay? It's ready, it's good to go. All right, so that's the one for that. All right, so for bottles and jars like this, what I've done is I have this shoebox that I got from the Container Store. You just basically take a shoebox type of container, and so any extra bottles and jars, I just put them in here. So example, my husband may only need 2 of these jars or 5 of them, right? And so the extra ones I can just put in here. Anyone from the household can go to where I keep all my travel stuff and just grab a bottle or jar from here, and it just closes like that. So nicely organized. All right, those are my bottles And all color coordinated. Love it. And it's enough. Like, let's say this is your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, facial cleanser, facial lotion, makeup remover, some lip therapy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you would put in these TSA approved bottles and jars. And until the next video, happy travels.